Hi. Quite enjoying these little daily video update things that I don't have to edit and just stick a phone in my face. It's alright. Um, One, I've got a major issue, which is that I've got a stupid tan line under my hat. So my face is brown, but my forehead's white, which is fine because nobody sees my forehead until somebody does see my forehead. Then I'll look like an idiot. Plans changed, obviously, from the last video if you've watched it, but new plan has been made, which could change. I've met somebody who has very kindly offered to let me use his mooring ball in the area for a rate that I can actually afford, because it's costing like £34 a night on the pontoon here. Dan, amazingly, paid for the first night. I've bought a further two. You might think, oh, 64 quid's not bad. And 64 quid is 20% of all the money that I own. I've got about 300 and something quid in the bank. So yeah, that's fun. So I'm going to put the boat, I'm going to stay this extra night because I've got a load of video editing that I need to do. I am going to go onto the mooring ball. I've splashed out on a little 100-watt solar panel that I can just tie on at anchor. If I'm going to be doing that, I'm going to need a method to charge the battery. I have low power usage generally until I need to edit videos, so it's not too bad. So that's being delivered today. I'll put that on. Go on to the mooring ball, and then John from SV Pamela C. Go and subscribe to his channel. I'll put a link to it. He needs over 1,000 subscribers before he can monetize. So yeah, let's do that for him, shall we? If we can. Tangential. I've gone off on one. On the mooring ball. Go and pick my car up. Take it back home. See my family if I have to. I'm only joking. Dump the car. Come back. Chill out over the next couple of months. Getting back. Some people have said, oh, just set off, just go. But the boat's not ready. It's just not ready. It's perfectly fine for the coastal cruising and stuff like that, but for the big stuff, I need to do more things to it, to her. Yeah, so chill out, getting back up there, get hauled out, do a full refit. I reckon it's a few months' work. If I finish before November, I'll head south and do a crossing, Atlantic. It's the right time of year for it. If I'm not finished by then, no worries. I'll wait until the weather improves. Probably go back to work. Hopefully I'll have built up enough videos to see me through. But it's not paying enough money for me to not work. So once I get back up there, I'm going to have to go back to work 3 days a week or something, on an agency, or beg for 3 days a week at my old job maybe. I don't know. Mark, please. Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. Full refit, and then if I'm not ready, then in the summer I'll go north around Scotland. Maybe I like the idea of the Caledonian Canal, over to Shetland and Norway in the summer when it's a bit nicer. Down Baltic Sea, Northern Europe, and then do the crossing November next year. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. If it changes, doesn't matter. We'll just change it. The world is a fluid and dynamic place, and we must be fluid and dynamic. I'm chatting nonsense now. Yeah, sorry if you're one of the people that absolutely hates me just talking into a camera, then I apologise. But I think if I've got something to say, I might do these little daily upload videos, because sometimes they make £8 or £10, and that is a significant amount of money to me if it is daily. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm picking up a mooring ball, and that's that. My video of me learning to sail, which is the footage I got at the same time as Rich from Sailing Mist, will be up tomorrow for YouTube. Patrons have already got it. I need to edit that today. And then the Patreons tomorrow, if you're watching this, will get the video of me setting off. Yeah, that's that. I'm going to edit about 4 videos. today, this afternoon, after a little nap, possibly, a little snoozy woozy. And then, in terms of video stuff, I should be good for 3 weeks. It gives me a lot of freedom then to do what I want to do. So yeah, I'm waffling on, but I waffle. You know I waffle. Yeah. I'm not turn this bloody thing off now. Is that a red one over there?